In today's video, I will be showing you guys a parabolic SAR indicator that you can use to make the most perfect entries trading binary options. And in this video, I will show you guys two indicators to go along with that parabolic SAR so you can get a 95% win rate when you are trading binary options using pocket option. So in my last video, I went over fractals, and now I will be showing you how to use the fractal with the parabolic SAR and one more key indicator that will help you make this 95% win rate. Guys, you don't want to miss anything. I will be showing you technical analysis. I will be identifying momentum changes, and even if you are new to the trading industry, I will show you how to find the correct charts to trade in and what you're looking for when you're trying to enter on these charts. My name is KINGLATTA, and this is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy, and we all know that we want to make money the easy way. We want to make money fast, and with this trading, guys, you can make money in just 5 seconds to even 1 minute. You can double your profits, and you can make even $10,000 to even $20,000 a day if you follow the steps correctly. Don't let your emotions get to you, and follow your indicators and strategies. But with all that being said, I know you want to see how to use these indicators, so let's get right into it after the intro. Woo! Guys, we have pulled up TradingView, and if you don't know what TradingView is a website, a platform that you can use to get the most accurate chart entries. You can find the most accurate charts that you want to place trades on. And guys, over here on TradingView, there are many tools that you can use to identify the proper trends, guys. So you have a ray tool right here. This is what it looks like, so you can identify these M patterns. And if you don't know me already, guys, I always go over these M patterns in my videos because these M's are very important on what this chart is going to do. So as you can see, we have a mini M right here, and the chart is going down. So I'm going to show you the arrow tool, what that looks like, and boom, just a simple arrow at the end. The chart is going down on this M right here, and that's simple as that. So there's plenty of tools over here. You also have the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is very important when you're trading Forex or even binary, just to see what the graph is going to do in the near future. And also, guys, there's many tools like the brush, the rectangle, and the rectangle is important for identifying, you know, the zones, guys, because when you're trading Forex or binary options, there's going to be zones that you need to look at. And just because, you know, you have a zone right here of where these candlesticks touch, so as you can see, we have a zone at the top and a zone at the bottom of where these candlesticks touch. Just because we have that zone right there, if you were trying to, you know, just draw a regular trend line of what this was looking like right here, then you won't have an accurate entry, guys. You won't have an accurate entry on this regular trend line because, all right, the candles touch right here, but then where do they go? You know what I mean? So you want to know the zones of where these candles go. And then again, guys, you can put another zone right up here at the top from where these candles touch right here, and this is just, you know, where this graph could go. You could also put another zone all the way right here from where these candles touch at the bottom, and then where it kind of retraced back out right here, the support and resistance levels right here, and boom, now we have 3 zones just that fast, and we have this M formation. So this is how you can use TradingView to get the most accurate, you know, charts that you want to trade on. And then once you find an accurate chart that you want to trade on, you want to simply take it over here to pocket option. Now on pocket option, there is, you know, tools that you can use over here as well, you know, Fibonacci retracement, the horizontal line, and there is a bunch of indicators that you can use as well. As you can see, all these indicators right here, and right now we have an RSI, Bollinger Bands, and much more, guys. We have the OSMA, and we have moving averages, zigzag, and everything. But I'm going to show you 3 indicators that you're going to need for this parabolic SAR strategy, guys. So let's get right into it. So as you can see right here, guys, the moving averages aren't that important, but if you want to know what that is, my moving averages is at 4 SMA, and this is the red pixel, guys, the red line that you see, and you can make this thicker so that you can, you know, obviously see that line better, guys. So this is my moving average at 4 SMA, and then we have a 9 EMA for the green line. Like I said, you can make this thicker, so we can do 2 pixels or whatever just to see that line a little bit better. And this is mostly for you guys and not for me. So when these lines cross on the moving averages, that means the trend is going to keep going wherever it's going. So right here we have a downtrend, the lines cross about right here, and we're going to keep going down. Now also guys, we have the zigzag, and the zigzag is just so back over here on TradingView you don't have to draw these arrows, guys. You don't have to keep finding your M's and W's. They're going to be posted for you just simply by looking at this yellow line. So now right here you see this zigzag and you see this W formation. On the W we are going up, we're shooting up, and most of the times on the W we're going to shoot up, and on the M, if this was flipped upside down, we're going to shoot down. So this is a good indicator to go with. But what I want to teach you today is this Parabolic SAR. Now the Parabolic SAR is at default settings, guys, and pretty much when you see these dots right here, this is your Parabolic SAR. When you see these dots, if the candles are under the dots, guys, when they're under the Parabolic SAR, that means the trend is gonna keep going down. And if it's over the Parabolic SAR, that means the trend is gonna keep going up, as you can see right here. So we are under the Parabolic SAR, we were on a downtrend, and then boom, the Parabolic SAR shot up, and this is when we stayed on an uptrend. And same thing at the top of the mountain here, Parabolic SAR is going down, and now we're on a downtrend because the candles are up under that Parabolic SAR. So if we were to open up just right here, we started to go up right here on 13 seconds left on a 30-second candle, then a Parabolic SAR would pop up right here and we would keep going up. So for this strategy, guys, for this method, what you want to do is you want to post your trades. You want to put in your trades as soon as this Parabolic SAR, as soon as a new Parabolic SAR pops up. So let's just go to a different currency pair and let's see if we can find a Parabolic SAR that is now just opening up. So right here we kind of have, you know, a little bit of support and resistance. The Parabolic SAR has started, it's getting up under, it's getting close to that Parabolic SAR. These candles are trying to reach that Parabolic SAR. Once it hits it, guys, you can place a trade for the down position. And guys, another thing you can do is always go against the trend. When you see this big candle right here, you can post a 5-second trade. And when you are scouting these charts, guys, you want to make sure that you're on a higher time frame. So we want to make sure that we're probably on a 3-minute time frame when we are scouting this chart right here. And then we just want to simply go down the times to figure out what this exact trend is doing. And for the perfect entry, you want to be on 30 seconds so that you can, you know, get that perfect spot. As you can see, these candles are moving a lot. And like I said, guys, this is the strategy. You want to place that trade as soon as these Parabolic SARs open. So we have a 1-minute trade going to be opening up right here for the up position. And we're just going to see what that is going to do. We did place that trade as soon as we had 2 dots on the Parabolic SAR. We have a couple seconds left. 3 seconds, and now we're gonna close because, like I said, once you see the first couple dots opening up on this Parabolic SAR, you want to go ahead and go with the trend, guys, and you want to go ahead and place that trade. So let's just see if we could continue on this trend, or if you don't want to take that risk of continuing on the same trend that you just won because you think it might go down. So we just gonna take a look right here, and we have a little small W. So let's just go to the lower time frame. We're gonna go to the 10-second chart, and now you can see a small W on this 10-second candles, guys. You can see a small W, and on the small W we're coming back down. So back to the 30-second chart for this 2 minutes. So I did place a 2-minute trade. My fault, guys, I did say 1 minute, but it was a 2-minute trade. Either way, it still would have won because we went all the way up. I placed that trade around down here with 2 dots, and then we shot all the way up here. So on the 30-second candles, again, we have a W right here. So that was that W you just saw. And so now we might be coming back down after that W. Or as you can see, we're probably going to be supporting and resisting a little bit because of the doji candles trying to form. And if you don't know what that doji is, it's pretty much a short body with 2 long wicks. And that's going to be signifying a momentum change, or, you know, just a trend change just a little bit. So as you can see, we were on the up position. We started coming down. There goes the doji, and now we're going down again. So if the Parabolic SAR does open up on the top position, that's when you want to place a down trade for this method. And the indicators that I want to go over with you guys was the fractal. So the fractal is at period 2, and that is these triangles that you see up here, which is going to tell you where this momentum change is happening, you know, if the graph is going to go back down or up or not. So when you see this red fractal at the bottom, it's going to indicate that the momentum is trying to go back up. Same thing with this green fractal at the top. It's going to indicate that it's going back down. And now you see that we have a parabolic SAR opened up. So we're going to place a 1 minute trade, guys, to go down. And I think I placed it exactly at the right time. As you can see, we kind of went up a little bit and I got it, boom, right there at the right instance, because I was explaining to you guys. If I wasn't talking to you, I probably would have had that thing right there at the top of this wick right here. But we're just gonna see, you know, if we can be 2 out of 2 for the day. And just imagine, you know, if you're trading with $100, $200, now you can make $400 just by following these simple dots right here, guys. These simple dots, and you can change the color as you please, but this is all it is to the strategy, man. Like, you just want to be patient. You just want to, you know, keep chart hunting and see if you can find the correct charts that's about to, you know, momentum switched, about to change direction. So we were at the top of the mountain, the fractal opened up, now we went down in the mountain, guys. We're going down on a downtrend. Boom, the parabolic SAR opened up. Now we want to place a 1 minute trade. Now if you were placing a 3 minute trade, and as you can see, boom, we just won at just in the right time. Now the candle is trying to go back up and we won just in the right time. So if you did want to place, you know, a 3 minute trade, guys, what you want to do is you want to see that if these parabolic SARs at least 3 dots from where this trend is going. Okay, so if the trend is still going down after 3 parabolic SAR dots, okay, now you can place that downtrend for 2 to 3 minutes. But I do advise going with the 1 minute trade option, because as soon as this parabolic SAR opens, more than likely, if you see that fractal, if you see it going down on the stochastic or the RSI, whatever indicators you have extra, the downtrend on the OSMA, as you can see right here, then it's gonna go down, guys. You want multiple indicators telling you what this chart is gonna do, along with that freshly opened up parabolic SAR, and that is all there is to this method. So yes, guys, we're 2 out of 2 in trades for the day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up, because this channel is on the way to 100K, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do post daily. So I'll hit you on the next side. Let's get it. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream.